Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cozy horror stories with backgrounds and stock images. So if you want to start a unique storytelling channel combining the comfort of cozy aesthetic with the suspense of horror, so cozy horror is a massive niche and you can create stunning videos using only free backgrounds and stock images. So the first step that you can do is choose the right visuals. So you need to think warm lighting, rain on windows, for example, cluttered bookshops, or maybe foggy forest like this. You can find the best free stock sites like this one, Pexels or maybe Unsplash, to source these images. And after that, you can use edit your clip in CapCut. You can add a slow zoom effects. To add a slow subtle camera movement, you can use keyframes. For example, in here I'm going to add a keyframe at the start, and at the end I'm going to increase the scale a little bit. So it will add a slow zoom effect like this. And the next one, don't forget to choose the right font style and also color to overlay your story text onto the cozy background. So you can go to text and add default text first, and if you're editing your CapCut your video in CapCut PC, you can just click on the drop down in here on the phone and choose the right font to support your cozy horror video. And the last one, sound design is key. So sound is the most crucial element. You can just find a free ambient sounds like rain, or fireplace, crackles, or distant whisper. If you're using CapCut, you can also just go to audio and head into sound effects in here and search for the effects that you want. For example, whispers. You can just go search for it. You can just choose which one that you want to add to your cozy horror video. So after you're done with that, you can just click on export and your cozy horror videos are done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next video.